Okay, let's dive into a huge question. What does it actually mean to be alive?
Sounds like a weird riddle, right? But the answer is key to understanding, well, all of biology.
So one's living, one's not. But what are the actual rules that separate them?
All right, Section 1. Let's break down the essential checklist for what makes something alive.
Basically, all living things need food and water. They grow, move, and make more of themselves.
And this is where it's super clear, right? Non-living things just don't do this. A table doesn't need to eat.
Reproduction is a huge one. It's how life keeps going, making more of itself.
Okay, on to plants. They're alive for sure, but wait, they don't really move, do they?
So how do they eat? Well, plants have a superpower. They don't find food, they make it. It's a process called photosynthesis. They use sunlight, air, and water to create their own food.
And get this, the leaf is basically the plant's own little food factory. Pretty cool, huh?
All right, Section 3, the animal kingdom. If plants are food makers, animals are the food finders.
And that one difference, making versus finding food, is why we have such a wild variety of animals.
You've got mammals like dogs and amphibians like frogs, all with different strategies to survive.
And that brings us to us. Let's take a quick look inside and see how our bodies work.
First up, the brain. It's the control center for everything you do, think, and feel.
And then you've got the heart. It's a powerful pump that sends blood all over your body.
And your lungs, they bring in the oxygen your body needs to keep everything running.
Finally, the stomach. It's like a food processor, breaking down what you eat for energy.
So why does all this matter? Well, understanding these building blocks lets us do some amazing things.
This leads us to biotechnology. Check out this scientist. He's got a kind of wild idea. What if you could take a fish's antifreeze gene and pop it into a tomato's DNA?
You'd get a tomato that can actually grow in cold weather. That's the power of this tech.
So it makes you wonder, if we can rewrite the rules of life,